Hello everyone, welcome back to SPECTRACS, and today we're going to see problem number 6, which is having three subdivisions. The first subdivision asks us to read an integer x. The second subdivision asks us to find the number of digits in the entered integer number. The third subdivision asks us to do the addition of the number of digits present in the number and adding the tens place of the entered integer. So let's see how to do this. So to the first part, to read an integer x equal to input. Now we are going to see the second part of the subdivision, which is to find the number of digits in the number. To find the number of digits, we're going to use the length function. So n equal to length of x. We can use the length function when this is only in input. If we take it as int input, we can't see the length. Then y equal to string of n plus x of 0. So this is done to add the tens place of the x the number, and this is the number of digits present in that number. Print the new number is y. Now let's see how this works. So let's say it's 56, which is 20 and 5. So let's say there are two numbers here. So 2 and the tens place over here is 5. So 25.